Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best handheld garment steamers that are available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or something with premium features, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's dive into the countdown. Ranked at number 5 is the High Life Steamer for Clothes in Black. This budget-friendly steamer is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable yet reliable option. With a 240 milliliter water capacity and 700 watts of power, it provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steam, making it ideal for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. Its compact design and lightweight build mean it's highly portable, fitting easily into a suitcase or carry-on. Performance-wise, it does a decent job at tackling light to medium wrinkles on a range of fabrics like silk, cotton, and nylon. The 9-foot power cord adds convenience, allowing flexibility during use. However, its 2-minute heat-up time is slower compared to some other models on this list, and it lacks some of the advanced features you might find in higher-end steamers. That said, with its strong penetrating steam and ease of use, it's a reliable choice for basic needs. The High Life Steamer is ideal for budget-conscious shoppers who want a no-frills, effective wrinkle remover. While it doesn't come with extras like attachments or spill-proof technology, its simplicity and price point make it a great entry-level option. Pros include its affordability and portability, while cons include its slower heat-up time and limited features. If you're after a basic, reliable steamer, this one might be for you. Coming in at number 4 is the Beautiful Steamer for Clothes. With a sleek, foldable design, this model is an excellent option for travelers. It heats up in just 30 seconds, thanks to its 1,000 watts of power, and its advanced electronic pump ensures a leak-proof experience, even when steaming at unconventional angles. The 150 milliliter water tank provides about 10 minutes of continuous steam, enough for quick fixes on the go. The Beautiful Steamer delivers strong and consistent steam that's gentle on most fabrics, including delicate materials like chiffon and silk. Its compact size and included storage bag make it easy to pack for trips. However, its smaller water capacity means you might need to refill it frequently for larger tasks. One unique feature is its ability to steam at any angle, even upside down, making it versatile for hard-to-reach areas. Overall, this steamer is perfect for travelers or minimalist users who prioritize portability and ease of use. It's not the best choice for tackling larger loads of laundry, but it's excellent for quick wrinkle removal while traveling. Pros include its foldable design and leak-proof technology, while cons include its smaller water tank and limited runtime. At number 3, we have the High Life Handheld Clothes Steamer with a 300 milliliters water tank. This model steps up the game with its powerful 1,100-watt heating system, which heats up in just 30 seconds. It delivers up to 20 minutes of continuous steam, making it suitable for handling multiple garments in one session. Its metal steam panel enhances wrinkle removal, providing a smoother finish on all types of fabrics. One standout feature is its spill-proof design, allowing for 360-degree ironing without leaks or drips. This makes it versatile for both horizontal and vertical steaming. The user-friendly design, combined with its compact size, makes it a good choice for home use or travel. However, at 2.64 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some other models, which might be a consideration for travelers looking to pack light. This steamer is well suited for users who want a balance of power, capacity, and portability. Pros include its large water tank, fast heat-up time, and spill-proof functionality, while cons include its heavier weight and bulkier design compared to other travel-focused steamers. It's a great choice for anyone who needs a steamer for both home and occasional travel use. Securing the second spot is another High Life steamer featuring a 240 milliliter water tank and 700 watts of power. This model is highly rated for its ease of use and portability, making it an excellent choice for home and office use. With a 2-minute heat-up time, it delivers 15 minutes of continuous steam, effectively removing wrinkles from a variety of fabrics. The design is lightweight and compact, making it easy to store or carry along during travel. While it lacks advanced features like attachments or spill-proof technology, its strong, penetrating steam performs well for everyday tasks. However, similar to its black counterpart, it's not designed for use with 220-volt outlets, so it's best suited for users in 120-volt regions like the US and Canada. This steamer is ideal for users who want a reliable, straightforward option at an affordable price. Pros include its portability and user-friendly design, while cons are its slower heat-up time and lack of advanced features. If you're looking for a dependable steamer for light to medium use, this one is a great choice. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Conair Handheld Garment Steamer Turbo Extreme Steam. With a powerful 1875W motor, this steamer combines the functionality of an iron with the convenience of a handheld steamer. It heats up in just 40 seconds and features a 7.3-ounce water tank, offering up to 20 minutes of continuous steam. Its aluminum steam plate and built-in creaser deliver a fresh-pressed finish, even on heavier fabrics. This steamer comes with a 3-in-1 attachment set, including a silicone band to hold fabrics taut, a delicate spacer for fine materials, and a bristle brush for deep steam penetration. It's versatile enough to handle clothing, upholstery, and even curtains. At 2.27 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but it's still portable and easy to use. Plus, with its good housekeeping seal, you know you're getting a high-quality product. While it's the most expensive option on the list, the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam offers unmatched performance and versatility, making it the best choice for users who want premium features and professional-level results. Pros include its high power, fast heat-up, and advanced attachments, while cons include its higher price and slightly heavier design. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the steamer to pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these steamers, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.